Hey, it's Living with Charnelle. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I am so excited about today's video because I'm going to share with you 2 ways of decorating a coffee table. I'm also going to insert short videos of some of the DIY pieces I use in creating these 2 styles. Let's get started so I can share with you what I have in order to achieve these beautiful coffee table ideas. So this is what we're going to be working with. We have a horse here, books, some candle holders, a tray here, more books, a chest. We have this item, we have that vase, this sphere, if you can call that another vase, and a round mirror tray, and also some flowers. So let's get started. Oh, and also these as well. I'm going to start with this tray that I DIY'd. If you have not watched my 5 Below haul, you should go and watch it. I got these wall shelves from there, and then I opened it and I glued them onto this board that I also got from the 5 Below store. I'm going to be grouping my items into 3s. So I have this sphere right in here. I have this beautiful shelf art piece that I got from the thrift store. I'm going to add that just at the corner right there. This is the original color of the candle holders, but I ended up spray painting this in black so that it can match my color theme. So we have our first piece. I'm gonna just place that to the left side of my coffee table. On this side of the coffee table, I'm just gonna add my books. A great tip is to use books that can be beneficial to you. Instead of just buying brand name books, you can just buy books that will be beneficial for you. This is the Mayo Clinic Family Health book, and along with that I also have just this simple birth book. So if you want something that's just simple that someone can just look at, something like this will be great. You can have an atlas book, birds, animals in general, farming, anything you're interested in. I prefer to have my books start this way or a little bit that way, kind of like a library type of book. And then I'm going to also add this beautiful vase that I got from the thrift store, and I painted this white as well. I'm just going to place that just in the back. Now you can't really see that vase in the back, you can see if you're sitting. So that's for the bottom. Let's get to the top. Let's start with our beautiful mirror tray. I got this from Home Goods for $50. I love it. I've been looking for this type of tray for the longest time, especially for this size. I've always seen the smaller size, so when I found it, I had to take it. So I got these books from Goodwill, and my intention was to paint them. The first book is about stained glass garden. The second book is a portrait of Cape Town. So yeah, I can always get letters and kind of like put them here, but for now this is what I'm working with. The horse that I also got from Home Goods. I'm going to add this beautiful black vase that I also painted. The original color, I believe, was like an orange color. One more of those beautiful candle holders. I have these beautiful star drape holders. So pretty much they're supposed to hold the drapes like this. But because I don't have drapes yet around, I'm going to be using these for something else. I got these from Amazon, so pretty much, so all I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist these beautifully together, and I'm just going to add that to our coffee table. I'm going to add these beautiful flowers that I got from outside. So I just cut some of these flowers, and I have this evergreen that I cut just a few of those leaves. If you don't have money to buy flowers, you can always get flowers around your place. Last but not least of this first style is using this chess. This is actually a 5-in-1 game. So this is all for the first look. Let's go ahead and just switch this just a little bit to give you a different look. For the second look, you probably have seen this beautiful tray that I got from Home Goods. I got this, actually it was only $24.99. I think that one is more expensive and it's $50 because obviously it is the mirror and all that. I really also like this style, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything on that and put it here, and we're going to switch it just a little bit around. Remember how on this first look I said that you could also have a different style of flowers? I'm going to change these flowers now. I'm going to switch it. These flowers are actually going to bring those 4 colors. I'm not a big fan of 4 colors, but this is enough for me to handle. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. These are actually fake flowers, so let's put those. Instead of the candle holder, how about we change it and bring more, let's bring more art pieces. I'm going to add this instead. There. We're going to take this candle holder down. And then for down here, we're going to switch things and we're going to add this beautiful piece. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Comment below which one of these looks you like the best. I personally like the one with the mirror. I don't mind the second one, but I love both of them. I like the look of the one with the mirror a little bit more than just the regular rustic. I feel like if you're trying to decorate with the rustic look, the second look might be the best for you. It might be the best option, but either way, they're both beautiful, gorgeous designs that I like. Also, let me know if you would like to see more of this type of videos, decor. I'm planning to do another coffee table decor, but it won't be this coffee table, it will be a different design, and let me know if you would like to see that as well. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.